How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset or fix your Segway Ninebot scooter not charging. So there's multiple ways to fix this, and the first thing that you want to do is to check the wall power cable. So just ensure that the AC power cord is connecting to the wall brick properly and is fully plugged in. Right after, you also want to let the battery cool or warm up. If the battery is too hot, over 45 degrees Celsius, or too cold, under 5, the scooter will engage the temperature protection and refuse to charge. So you just want to let the scooter rest indoors at room temperature for at least 30 minutes before trying again. Right after, you also want to clean the charging port. So basically, dust, debris, or bent pins inside the charging port can disrupt the connection. So we want to inspect the port and gently clean or clear any dirt. From there, we can also try to update our firmware. You want to open the official application for the Segway Ninebot app on your phone, and then you want to connect it via Bluetooth and ensure that the firmware is completely up to date, as this can patch battery communication errors. And the last thing that I suggest is hard resetting the device. So you want to turn the scooter off, hold down the power button, the throttle, and the brake lever simultaneously for around 10 seconds, and then restart. So after doing this couple of fixes, you will be able to solve this problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.